Hello, you're watching Traders Calendar on the ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Недачина. Early next week, your eyes will be turned to the following market movers, including the US statistical data, which is expected by the markets. On Tuesday, data on the Consumer Confidence Index from Conference Board will be revealed in the United States. According to the forecast, in June, the indicator rose to 97.3 points. In the previous months, the Consumer Confidence Index touched the level of 95.4 points, missing the forecast of 95.2 points. University of Michigan Current Conditions Index rose, whereas Index of Consumer Expectations declined. Short-term forecasts remain moderate, but labor market forecasts are improving. On Wednesday, data on non-farm employment change and ISM manufacturing PMI, two very important indicators, is due for release in the United States. Economists anticipate growth by 205,000 new jobs in the U.S. private sector. The May report from automatic data processing showed that the employment rate in the United States private sector grew by 201,000. However, analysts expected that the indicator would be at the level of 200,000. The April growth was also revised to 165,000 from 169,000. Later, the manufacturing PMI data will see the light of the day in the United States. It's expected that the indicator advanced to 53 points. In May, growth in the U.S. manufacturing PMI exceeded the forecasts. According to the data from the ISM, the U.S. Purchasing Managers Index climbed to the level of 52.8 points from 51.5 points in April. Most analysts had expected a rise to 52 points. The increasing number of orders and the highest reading of new orders since November points to a possible surge in activity in the processing industry. Experts suppose that it can be a short-lived situation as a high US dollar price undermines the demand in the US export sector. Also, the following economic data will be released early next week. On Monday, the preliminary data on the Consumer Price Index will be published in Germany. The pending home sales data will be unveiled in the United States. On Tuesday, reports on the German labor market, Japanese industrial production, as well as British current account and GDP will be published. On Wednesday, the manufacturing PMI data will see the light of the day in China. In Australia, data on the building approvals is due for release this day. The manufacturing PMI data will be published in the UK. It was me, Kate Недачина, and Traders Calendar. Have a nice trading with ИнстаФорекс.